A self-made woman, working in the education field from last 20 years, and it will be continued long. Her expertise includes skills in communication, collaboration, adaptability and patience. Building a great team and guiding them to work for the betterment of students is her motto in life. The Great Mentors warmly invites Ms. Nisha Ganatra, Vice Principal, Eklavya Global School, CBSE. Ms. Nisha is the founder member of Eklavya Global School, working with the Eklavya Group of Schools from last 7 years. Eklavya Group of Schools itself is a brand in the Junagadh city. She has worked with the same vision of the board members, and that is 360-degree development of kids. Motive and vision fulfills when head works in the same direction. She has joined the hands with Cambridge University and Trinity London College to give international platform for exams and development of communication skills. Even pre-primary kids are giving Trinity YPC, Young Performers Certificate, exams in the small city like Junagadh. Being a CBSE student, Ms. Nisha always had a vision of development in all skills. She is specialized in IT and English, holding degrees MSc, IT and MA, English, and special program for CWSN, Child with Special Need. Counseling kids and fulfilling their needs as a special educator too. Ms. Nisha has been actively participating in teachers training, conducting workshops, arranging PTMs, organizing mega events for the schools. Organized lot of workshops for non-academics activities such as R.J. Akash, Mr. Sanjay Raval, took sessions for a group of schools. Being a creative person, her inclination is towards the growth of the child in the field of their choice too. She has suggested and given guidelines for students, and they took admissions in sports academy, interior designer, architect, beauty expert, many such fields. She has been awarded Star India Women Achievement Award in the year 2019. Teaching is her passion from the beginning, and she is in this field by her choice. She started her career as a normal teacher, then faculty coordinator to section head, and then vice principal as well as creative head. She solely believed that learning is a lifetime process, and that's why she learns each and every moment.